Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. If you've got a build-up in your toilet that won't come off with your usual cleaning products, this video is for you. I'll show you how to clean a toilet. It's a simple and highly effective method that really works. Limescale and calcium deposits aren't just dirt, a regular toilet brush won't do the trick. My hard water causes limescale to build up on the walls of my toilet when I flush. If your water has a lot of iron, the limescale will be yellow or reddish. Where there is constant water in the toilet, a deposit may also form along the edge. So let's start with the lid. If you want to clean it thoroughly, remove it and wash it in the bathtub. For details on how to remove it and what to clean it with, watch the video in the tooltip at the top right. To make the product work better, you need to remove the water from the bowl. You can use a plastic bottle, scoop it out with a small plastic cup, or soak it up with a rag. I suggest using an enema. A large one will remove the water faster, and a small one will allow you to work more gently without coming into contact with the toilet bowl. This method, by the way, is great because you won't come into contact with the water or the toilet bowl walls at all. Begin slowly and gradually removing water from the toilet bowl. Leaving the water in will dilute the cleaner, making its effectiveness much weaker. The deposits will be removed, but to thoroughly and completely clean everything, you will need to repeat the cleaning process several times. An enema removes the water down to the last drop, making it very clear where and what needs to be cleaned. Now let's make a cleaning solution to help combat deposits. Pour 200 ml of hot water into an old container you don't mind throwing away. The temperature should be 80 degrees Celsius, not boiling. Add 2 tablespoons of citric acid to the water and stir well. The citric acid crystals should completely dissolve. We'll also need dry mustard powder. I also add 2 tablespoons. Citric acid dissolves limescale and calcium deposits, while mustard powder removes organic contaminants, effectively neutralizes unpleasant odors, lightly disinfects the surface, and removes grease. Stir the product until there are no lumps left. Take paper towels or old pieces of cloth, soak them thoroughly in the solution, and apply them to the walls of the toilet bowl. The paper towels will prevent the solution from dripping and will help the solution work longer on the deposits. Apply the product thoroughly to problem areas, usually the toilet rim and bowl underneath. I use a lot of toilet paper and cover everything thoroughly with it. I generally don't like using toilet paper in such cases because it gets so soggy. Wait at least 30 minutes. If the calcium deposits are severe, you can leave them for longer. During this time, the acid softens the deposits and they begin to lift from the surface. Now just put away the towels and just look how easy it all comes off. The dirt comes off in a minute without any effort or long rubbing. Beautiful. If you don't like cleaning the toilet by hand and scooping out water, but limescale is still present, then watch the video in the tooltip on the right. All you need to do is apply citric acid a few times, and your toilet will be sparkling white without any limescale deposits. I quickly go over the inside of the toilet with a toilet brush, flush, and I think you can see for yourself what a wonderful result it is. The lid is clean, dry and can be put back in place. Let me remind you what the toilet looked like before cleaning. And look at the result, a snow white, perfectly clean toilet without the use of harsh chemicals that harm the environment and our health. Try this method to clean your toilet. As you can see, it copes well even with old limescale. Tell me, what do you usually use to clean your toilet, store-bought products or homemade ones? I hope you find this video helpful. Like and subscribe to my channel. I show you how to clean quickly, effectively and safely. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.